పక్కకే జేఆర్ ఉంది. సో కిందికి వెళ్ళిపోతే అయిపోతుంది. ఎంట్రన్స్ చూడండి ఎంత బాగుంది. ఇట్స్ వెరీ నైస్ ఎంట్రన్స్. జేఆర్ లైన్స్. సో వెరీ నైస్ బిల్డింగ్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ లైక్ I was walking for almost like half kilometer. So everything is excellent. So this is Tokyo Central Station. You can see all underground trains, all Shinkansen trains. So all lines are connected here. So very, very important building. It's a never-ending hall. Excellent. Is a Kyo line, Musashino line, Maihama. So there are different lines to go to different parts of city. Very, very important. First I have to eat something and drink tea. So then proceed to trains. So these are all shops. So this is the place from where I came. So you can see local trains, rapid trains. So all trains are going from here. I have to use restrooms. So Shinkansen lines itle ellali, Narita Express, Yamanote line. So anni itle ellali. So straight ahead. The bound decorated station, Tokyo Station. So it's on the bound Tokyo Station. So very broad area. Called concourse. I have to say Shinkansen. You have to say Shinkansen and proceed. That's it. So a bit walk. Like airport, like travelators in Tokyo Station. Still a long walk. So always you have to come early, at least 45 minutes, 1 hour to the station. Then only if suddenly we don't know the layout of the station, so some exits are closer, some exits are far from tracks, there is platforms. So it is always advisable to come early. So 2 or 3 days back I took the Toki train to Niigata. So from Niigata I came to Tokyo. That is one type of bullet train. So you can see all Shinkansen trains. You have to go straight up. Still we have to walk. Yamanote line, Shinkansen lines are all straight ahead. See, Shinkansen line left side, Tohoku. My line is Tohoku. Tohoku is the one which goes to Nagoya, Osaka and that route. I will buy something to eat. So Tokaido, Sanyo Shinkansen this side. Tokaido means to Osaka. So Nagoya. So again we can take tickets here. So I have plenty of time, so no need to worry. I have 35 minutes, so I eat something and go. Once I enter into train, I can't eat. So mine is Hakata. So, sorry, not Hakata. So mine is Hikari. So I will check. So I had large French fries in McDonald's for 4:30 a.m. and I had taken one water bottle and one taken ice cream sandwich. So now I am going to Tokaido Shinkansen. So which is platform track 22, I think. My train. So I always forget. So always have to check again. You can see this. I have to take Tokaido Sanyo Shinkansen tracks. So Tokaido. So I have to take that. See, I can see Hikari 651 train number 433 Shinosaka and track 15. Okay, now I confirm. Now it is confirmed track 15 I have to go. See, 651. I will double check with my ticket. Train number 651, 4:33 departure time. Going to Shinosaka, track 15. So I will just, yes, I have double checked my ticket. It is 15 only, track. So it is 651 Hikari at 4:33 p.m. So it is, my car number is 15 and seat number is 12A. 12A is always window. So this is the ticket. So going to Nagoya from Tokyo. So you can see that 651 number and 4:33, 16:43, 33 is the departure time and the car is 15 and seat is 12A. So that's it. Oh, train is ready, 651, Shinosaka, Hikari. So, but they are not admitting passengers inside, so I think cleaning might be going on. So mine is 15. So 15 is in this side. You can see this is 6, 7. So mine is 15. So cleaning is in progress because we have time. So 15 means it may be almost end of the coach. So that's why we should always come at least 10 minutes before departure. So if we get coach like far end of the train, and if the train has more cars, and we have to walk at least 3-4 minutes. So that is, it is always advisable. So again we can check here. See, 651 is a train. Hikari, this is grand class, this is first class. So you can see the green flower. So train is big, means because this is busy time. So from Tokyo, people might be going back. So I think that is the reason they have put big train instead of 8 cars or 6 cars or 12 cars. It is 15 cars. This is Hikari. Hikari means less stops compared to Kodama, but more stops compared to Nozomi, which I came in the morning. Nozomi is very less stops, only Shinagawa, Yokohama, Nagoya and Osaka. This we have to see how many stops it has got. So I am still at 11. So still cleaning is going on. I can see them, people mopping the floor.
Bound for Osaka via Kyoto. Non-reserved seats are in line 5. This train will stop at Shinagawa, Shin-Yokohama, Toyohashi, Nagoya, Fukuhashima, Maibara, Kyoto, and Shin-Osaka terminal.
So it is going to stop one stop extra than Nozomi before Nagoya. So because I am getting down at Nagoya, I will spend like 1 hour, 1.5 hours in Nagoya. Then again I will take one more Shinkansen train already booked, so to Shinosaka. So just I want to go out and see how Nagoya looks the city center, the buildings, the vibes. So yeah, that's my plan. So 12 is my seat, 12A. So train is ready. So this is a front engine side of Hikari. So this is 6:51 Hikari departing from Tokyo station at 16:33. It is 4:33 p.m. going to Hiroshima via Shinosaka. So people are waiting. Meeting is in progress. Pilot was welcoming. There were welcoming passengers. So now the event ends out. So I will check everything and start the flight. So this is my seat, 12A, for next 1 hour 40 minutes to till Nagoya, 1.5 hours. So this is coach number 15, car number 15, sorry. So see how it looks. It's looking like a Nozomi, which I came in the morning. So there is no difference in the color, in the seat configuration. So everything is same except one stop. Train has departed from Tokyo. So it is Hikari going to Shinosaka, not Hiroshima, sorry. So we will be passing through Yokohama and Shinagawa. So these are the two stops, and then one more stop, then it is Nagoya. This is Tokyo. Bye bye Tokyo. Until we meet next time. This is Haneda Express going to airport, Haneda Airport, Tokyo Monorail. It is stopping. So first stop for every train in this route because it is part of Tokyo. But because of clouds, you can't see it, so it is not clear. Nagoya. So this is exactly middle of Japan. So it's very big city, Nagoya. So all bullet trains, including Nozomi, Mizuho, stop here because it's a big city and it is middle of Japan. So I just spent here for 1 hour. So you can see that Nagoya Tower, Nagoya University is also famous. 1 hour and then I go back to Shinosaka. Just want to see how it looks, the city vibes. So this is my train. I just got down this from train. So it's coming from Tokyo, going to Shinosaka. So I got down here at Nagoya. So after 45 minutes, 1 hour again, I will take another train and I will go to Shinosaka. This is Nozomi. This is going to Shinosaka. So this go faster than Hikari. So morning I took this train to go to Tokyo. So this is Nozomi, fastest in this Tokaido route. But I think it is not fastest compared to Hayabusa. See, this is Nagoya. It is also very busy. So it's big city and it is stop for all Nozomi trains, Mizuho trains. So there is a Central Japan International Airport is also there. So we can transfer to other JR lines. So that's why this is very busy. Nagoya, center of Japan. I just go out and see. So there are also other lines. You can see Maglev and Railway Park. See how busy it is. Very, very busy. Not busy, very, very busy. It is 6:20 p.m. on 4th of April, so 2025. Again, I got train at 7:20, so I have almost like 1 hour to spend in Nagoya. So I want to spend more, but there is no time, so I have to come back. See, this is Shinkansen train station in Japan. Shinkansen means bullet train.
Because the timing is a little bit over time.
It's a beautiful city. So in twilight, so it is getting dark. So you can see this is a central station, Shinkansen as well as station, railway station. So it's almost getting dark. It is cold outside. You can see the towers, buildings, Nagoya buildings, Nagoya city. So everywhere Japan looks like similar. So the buses are available. See, they are standing in a queue. Standing in a queue. So Osaka station bus is there, JR bus. I don't know why people are going by bus, because we have a beautiful Shinkansen train which goes faster. You can see these are JR highway bus means they are express, super express, which take on highway. So you can see JR Nishin Nihon JR bus. So that is going to Osaka station. So we can see bullet trains on the top. This is Nagoya station. So the train is going to Hakata. Is Nozomi train. Another Nozomi is super fast. So this is Nagoya. You can see bus timetable also. 7:15 one bus, 7:30 one bus. Bullet train is going from Nagoya station. Another bullet train. So it's very busy train station for bullet trains because this is middle of Osaka and Tokyo route. So you can see the buildings at train station. So they are excellent, awesome. So these are all the buildings close to station, Nagoya station. So it's almost getting dark. Appa Hotel. Appa Hotel is everywhere in Japan. So APA is a big chain. Appa. So initially I wanted to book in Appa Hotel, but later it was very too much cost, so that's why I didn't book. So this is station. So I'm just roaming nearby station because it is very cold. You know what is this? This is highway bus. That means express bus station. So just in front of Nagoya station. So it opens morning 6 o'clock and closes 11 o'clock. We can buy tickets here. So these are the timetable. So people are waiting here. You can see. These are like platform 4, 3, 2, 1. So we have to sit in this queue. So platform 4, 7:15 is a bus. Next bus is 7:30. So now the time is 6:48. So they have mentioned in Japanese, now it will come in English. So this is bus station. Typically in express bus station in Japan. See Kyoto station, central exit 4, platform 4. So now 3, Tokyo station, Disneyland. So they are displayed different. Now I have returned back to Nagoya station. I just bought one popcorn packet in the shop, and because it is cold outside, so now my train is at 7:19, so that is 7:19 p.m. So that is one more Hikari Express going to Shin-Osaka, so with very limited stops. So I spend around 20-25 minutes here, and then I will take my train and go to Shin-Osaka because it is cold outside. So I can't travel anymore. I can't roam around. My train platform at track number 82 is displayed because I have time. So it is displaying till 9:17. So that is Nozomi going to Osaka. So mine is 19:19. So if any one or two trains pass away from this train station, then it will make space for my train. So then I can see the track. So these are the Shinkansen gates. So where I have to enter. So see, it is very busy. So now the platform track displayed for my train. So you can see Hikari 653 train number. We have to always check. And time is 19:19. That is 7:19 p.m. Going to Shin-Osaka, track 17. So it stops at all stations from Nagoya to Shin-Osaka. So I have to go to 19. So sorry, I have to check again. So my train is coming to track 17. So not 19. I have reconfirmed it, double checked it. So I have just validated my train number and the time. So now I have to go to 17. You can see Shin-Osaka and Hakata. So I will take this lift escalator, because whenever escalator is there, just we can use it. So so this trip, this is the last Shinkansen train I am going to take, because from today is the last day. So my pass will expire today night at 12 o'clock midnight. So this is the last train. So tomorrow I'll just take JR trains, normal trains, so not Shinkansen. So this is Nozomi going to Hakata. So you can see it's 710 Nozomi 55 train number, going via Kyoto, Shin Osaka, Shin Kobe, Okayama, Fukuyama, Hiroshima. So yesterday I took same train, but it was not Nozomi, it was Hikari. So this is Nozomi. So my train is coming now, Hikari. So it is coming from Tokyo. It will go to Shin Osaka. So yeah, it's another 1 hour in this awesome bullet train. So this is my last bullet train journey for this trip. So hopefully I can do some more trips next time. So till that time I have to wait. This is 11E. This is my seat, window 11E. This is Hikari 653. So going to Shin Osaka. I have to get down at Osaka last stop. So my seat is 11E. So these are the stops: Gifu, Hiroshima, Maibara, Kyoto, and Shin Osaka. So these are the stops. So I just got down from this Hikari 653 from Nagoya. So this is the last, I think, Shinkansen train trip in this my trip, because today my pass will expire around midnight. So tomorrow I have to buy ticket in JR trains, so and travel. So because I don't have any pass from tomorrow, 2 days. So this is Shin Osaka station. You can also see Shinkansen coffee missions. Same thing, I have to take subway, Mido Suji line. So I have to go to my hotel, sorry. So that is M22. So yeah, same thing. So one more last time, Shin Osaka Shinkansen train station. So still it is looking busy. Now it is almost like 8:30 p.m. So but still it is busy. So where I have to go? I have to go to subway, Midosuji line. See, Midosuji line. Midosuji line. So I have to put my 2 tickets, and only 1 ticket will come back, my pass, and other ticket. So from Nagoya to Shin Osaka will fall down there itself. Yeah, I got only my ticket, my JR pass, because it is valid till midnight today. So right side. So now I can go to Tokyo by taking any bullet train. So it is still possible, because it's only 2.5 3 hours. So but return I can't come, so I have to pay ticket. That is at least 12,000 13,000 yen. So that is the expense or cost we have to put for bullet train, Shinkansen trains. So with the pass, so it is always free. This is takoyaki is very famous. So I will show you this takoyaki. It is called takoyaki. It is very famous in Osaka. So you see. So they are preparing in this Shin Osaka train station. See how they are preparing. but it is non-vegetarian. It is not a vegetarian. So you can see, it is people are taking this as souvenir to other places. So frozen takoyaki is 1290 yen. So 3 people are preparing this because it is very busy, very demanding. You can see takoyaki, sorry, rich butter soy sauce takoyaki, 980. So this is takoyaki, Osaka, famous in Osaka. I am taking this metro to Nakamozu, platform 1. So it is going to till M30. I have to get over a temporary. So this is my stop, metro stop,
Station number M22.
close to my hostel, hotel, sorry. This is stop number M22.
JR line.
So I have to take exit 2 and just within 5 minutes my hotel is there. It's very convenient from metro. So this side is opening. This is the metro which I have got down from. So this is the main entrance for my hotel, Hotel Mikado. So it is very close to, 30 minutes, 25 minutes from Osaka station. So very close to Maeda and Namba. So where we can take trains to other locations. So this is the main entrance. So this is the reception. Staff in the reception available 24/7. So they speak English. Now you can see time is 8:05. This is the main entrance. So we can put our luggage here if we are leaving early or and our checkout time is late, or we are checking in and if we come early, so we can leave luggage here and go to city and come back and take our luggage. So these are bottles for 200 yen. We have to give money in the reception, and this is for noodles 200 yen, and we can also heat them and eat. They have a microwave. So these are all different noodles. There are magazines, so we can do computer work here. It is free, so free internet. So this is the area normally I sit and work on my laptop. So the chair. So this lady works very hard. So you can see she comes in the morning and finishes in the afternoon. So this is microwaves. It's a bit smelly. It's a ice vendor for ice cubes. So this is wash basin, and these are different oils and electric induction stove and different vessels they have provided by hotel. So he's the guy who works in morning shift. This is another bathroom, so same size, so same amenities, and they have provided everything. So there is also stand. So they have provided everything, all shampoo, soap. And so this is 2 toilets here. So 1 toilet, sorry. So this is the washing machine and dryer. So we have to put like 200 yen in this washing machine. So if you put here, you have to put here. So after putting 200 yen, you can say 200 yen. So immediately the machine starts and it runs for 40 minutes. Then after washing, so we have to put 200 yen in this slot. So immediately after putting 200 yen, so machine will start. This is for 20 minutes. So this is one more bathroom. So you can see 2 more washing machines and 2 more dryers. 2 more washing machines downstairs in the down and 2 more dryers on the top. So this is a common area, we can use it. So these are different racks for we can take these towels and napkins, and we have to put used towels in this tub, and used bathrooms, even bathrooms also they give for free. You can see all stacked here. So this is the lift to go to 7 floors. So this is the sauna. So this men can use now. So you can see the timings for men. So for women there's a different timings you can see. So after men finishes their timings, so from 8:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. so they'll clean for half an hour and then allow, and 8 p.m. to 10:50 p.m. so they allow women. So these are all vending machines, so we can buy water bottles, ice creams, so everything. So we can sit here and see the bathroom, washroom is a very decent size. So all there is a stand to put our clothes or towel. So you can see They have provided shampoo, conditioner, and body soap.
There is a public sauna, we can use it for all customers. You can see inside the temperature will be 95 to 110 degrees centigrade. So I sat here for a couple of minutes. It is very hot. So you can use in the morning and the evening. So there are separate timings for ladies and separate timings for ladies and men. So we can just sit here and then we can go out and take bath. So is the pool hot, very hot. So you can see the temperature is 42 degrees centigrade. I don't know who will use it, but it's very hot. So we have to first we have to sit there in sauna for some time, and then we have to come here and bath. So everything, all lotions, body lotion, shampoo, everything is provided here for free. So this is my room. My room is at 4th floor. So I have to press 4 button. That's it. So just lift is very convenient. So you can see this goes to 4th floor. And my room is 401. It's corner room. And I have a nice city view, Osaka view. So this is the room. This is 401. So I have stayed here for 4 nights and it was excellent.
ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.